hit the subscribe button. Goes a little something like this. my dad just got done stripping doors, drilling out spot welds, dropping subframe bolts, all kinds of craziness. You know, that's going to be a wrap for today. Right here, Pop. All right. Good night, everybody.
The next day.
What's up, everybody? Just got done doing some more work on the Ridgeline. This is probably a week after the last footage you saw of us stripping down the doors. We already got excuse me, we already got both the rear doors are ready to come off. I got the back seat completely ripped out. That was kind of a pain, but we got it out. We got everything exposed over here, and pretty much good to go. We still need to take down the headliner and remove some more trim and stuff like that, but we're not gonna get at that today. It's just we're getting pretty worn out. We've both been working all week, so we're gonna take a break. We've already started putting away parts and stuff. All our drill bits are doled out pretty good, so we're gonna go get some of those at Harbor Freight, and we're also gonna go grab a big tarp to cover all this up, because we don't want to get any moisture, and in Florida it rains pretty frequently here. So yeah, we got all of our trim parts boxed up here, and we've made some pretty good progress. My dad's been working on all the spot welds and everything, got most of that stuff drilled out. We still got quite a ways to go on the drilling out of these spot welds. There's so many of them, and also of course with the majority of the damage, this is probably the worst of it. You know, we're going to peel back the outer layer and see where we're at with that damage, and yeah, we should be pretty good. But I think that's probably going to wrap this video up for part 3 of the Ridgeline build. So Pops, high five. Heck yeah, that was a good day. So we'll get back at it probably maybe next weekend. I've got some trees to drop and stuff like that for work, and we'll just see how it goes. But we're gonna try to get at least get our shell off, and basically the next video is just gonna be us drilling spot welds and removing panels, and we're gonna have to drop the exhaust and the gas tank as well. So we've got quite a bit to do as far as that goes, but we've made some serious progress, and yeah. So I'll catch you guys on the next episode of the Ridgeline rebuild. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll be posting another video as soon as we can. Yeah, and I'll probably have a video for my truck as well, because I'm going to be doing some stuff to that here real soon. But y'all have a good day, take her easy, and yeah, adios.